So this is a review for an ATV winch, and you're probably thinking that's not an ATV and there's not even a winch in there. Well, this has something that is a little bit unique, but I wanted to show you can use this winch for anything. One of the special things about Blazers, Broncos, Scouts, and Ram Chargers and Jeeps is that they all have a removable top. And that's where this winch comes into play. So let me show you what I built. Using the winch that ORCISH sent me to do a review on, I have built an apparatus in my garage so that I am able to lift the top on my Blazer with very little effort because it's just me. And if you know anything about these winches or these tops, it's really hard to do with just one person. What I've done is I've taken the winch and I've braced it against the rafters in my garage, and all of the wiring that I have from them is all hooked up. So let's take a look at that. So right up here we have the winch, and it's in a really nice small package. Plus it has all the wiring, super easy to figure out. Everything is color coded with the blue, and then we have the yellow right up top with my yellow lead going back. It is super easy engagement on your release and your engage for the winch. You also have the very nice fair lead, and it spools up super nice too. Now we go to the controller. So you get just about 4 feet of your blue and yellow cable, and then you go up to the controller. Now those two wires that you see disconnected, those are for the switch you can mount to your handlebars on your ATV or whatever you got this on. But then we look at the connections, and again, everything is nice and color coded. You get 5 feet worth of lead going to your positive and negative, and I have it on my battery right here to the side. ORCISH gives you everything that you need for this winch right out of the box. They're super easy to follow instructions that we have here, and it's even in color, which we love. So I'm not using this outside, which is why I'm not using the dust boots, but you have the dust boots if you need them. You even get gloves. And this is your regular controller, your switch for in and out that you can mount right there on your handlebars. Plus, you have not one, but you have 2 remotes, which are super easy to use, and they come with clips. Plus, there's also a strap for the winch so that you can pull on it, which I forgot to put in all this. But they are setting you up with everything. I wanted to make sure when I did this review that I only did it utilizing the stuff that they give you out of the box. Super easy to modify everything for your own needs, but if you want a nice durable winch, 4,500 pound capacity that you can use on ATVs or other stuff like I've done, this one from ORCISH is great. Okay, bye.